Welcome back to Conference Room Systems. I'm Paul Richards, and I'm here today to show you Cambridge Sound Management's Sonic QT, which is a personal sound masking machine. They cover roughly a 200-foot square area. So this is perfect for a cubicle, perfect for a small area where you want to add sound masking. This is the base unit that allows you to control the volume. Then this connects to two speakers to provide privacy in basically to cover the sound of the human voice. And it includes two fabric mounts or two wall mounts. And basically these allow you to mount it to a cubicle area or mount it to a wall. Comes with the connection cables and the power supply. So this system is roughly less than $200, $179 I believe we're selling it for. And then there's an extension kit for $70 that allows you to add two more speakers and cover a 400 square foot area. So perfect for personal systems, but if you have a larger office, you might want to consider our drop ceiling system that is a direct field sound masking.